Hi there and welcome to Crush It. Today I have two lighters. I'm going to put two of them down like this. I have got my fire extinguisher ready. See that?
Portable? Bad boy.
When the lighters break, they will let out some liquid and it will vaporize immediately, and in order for it to have a nice flame, we put 4 candles around it to ignite it. Let's see what happens when we crush it. That was sick. Wow, it seems didn't need to use the fire extinguisher, but wow, that was a pretty nice fireball there. Both of them I think cracked, yeah, and let out quite a lot of liquid which turned into gas. The candles kept burning except for one, and yeah, that was a pretty nice explosion. So that is what happens when you crush 2 lighters with a hydraulic press. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.